say you turned that gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And this now the only democracy when they on top of television. Sake of say all the issues where they come on smoke inside Nigerian politic arrangement as if they affect all of us inside Obodo Nigeria. We they carry them drop like hot jollof. Can't allow you from anywhere where you did to choke your mouth inside the matter so that those when the issue concern go take the necessary action to move this our country forward. My name na Ezugo Chukwudi. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother and another Ogbonge visitor. When Sabi well as it take concern politic matter, as it is hot.
Yes, good morning, our viewers. And yes, we don't carry the program coming out of again. And what's the name of the program? As it is hot. As it is hot. People know they call at me because they hot alone. And no, if you make me call out the hot. Yes, we get, you don't talk as we get a bunga guest, now regular visitor. But anytime we see and we always get the ginger to do it, to talk, ask questions, we concern the country. We will open our phone line when that time reach for now to also contribute for these issues. We will put down very sensitive issues when that time reach. Because we know so now we'll also get one or two things when I want to talk about them. Yes, my name never change. This now as it is hot.
On Saturday, October 24th, Oyibo they call up landmark ruling. Now in the Rivers State Election Tribunal carry put for down. The case concern Chief Nyesom Wike and Oga Dakuku Peter side as they concern the April 11 elections when happen inside Rivers State. Everybody knows say for Rivers State, the election, he carry special package come with them. Sake of say, some people talk say the way when the election they go, say no be only monkey hand they inside. Say chimpanzee hand, baboon hand, and crocodile hand they inside the whole arrangement. But the election tribunal under Oga Justice Suleiman, they wear recommended glass, look the case finish, come check all the arguments when we say APC carry come, PDP carry come, they can't deliver their judgment. And the judgment now say, Oga Nyesom Wike, the seat when they occupy, now illegal occupation. And they talk say within 90 days, say may they conduct fresh elections. But based on say in a lawyer, and he talk say he sabi the law where he talk say no check the case, say as a citizen of Nigeria, he get the right to appeal and he go ensure say he appeal. Everybody here they stand up because the case be like say he resembles some other cases for inside this Obodo Nigeria wey no happen, but it can't be like say this one can't be different. Today our Ogbonge visitor go chook mouth on top of the matter and tell us the way when the thing be. He na no other than I go clear my throat before I introduce her and make it no be like I no get respect. Political commentator, social analyst, I no go talk say and entrepreneur because the kind sense when he get. He be Wikipedia and dictionary at the same time. Oga Bola, my head even the shake as I introduce you. Oga Bola Oba, welcome to As It Is Hot.
I still serve a living God because as they talk am where the thing they heavy, they read the Psalms. Say make your front teeth, make you know spout out. You know, and God answer prayer.
You know say if you know say man will be man. If they introduce him, you cannot be calm. So I dey try control myself. You say the way when I even hold myself. If I launch into Oriki now,
if you even look Oga Bola about today, I mean, you go see say in hype don't even increase. And check out in Agbada alone, you go know say yes, levels there for the Agbada. Now it take define the kind of person, Ogbonge person will be strong man, and going by the description what you don't give you.
I've been thinking me and you na party before.
No.
Bring out the knife.
No, we've always been party. We've always been party. As usual, we will collect hand. We will collect hand.
Make it not be like say. It just be like say me I no leave the hand because me I no leave the hand. So Oga Bola about quick one, make we go inside. The case of Rivers now one when they say the thing don't generate a lot of Rivers as a state. They very very special. And this case again come open say okay everybody they look. People when we say they study law, they don't look the matter. People when they interested in say make our democracy grow, make our electoral laws they very very strong. They don't look into the matter. Make we go back to the genesis. Make we look at from the very very start. First and foremost, April 11. Based on every information where you get as a man wey know people for high and low places, the election wey happen for inside Rivers State for April 11. Na election abi na just wuru happen on that day.
Many of our people where they watch this program now, I've been done dey here. No be say I do any scientific polling, but I've been done the year, say many of our people where they watch this program now, no they appear, especially our people where come from south and southeast, they know they happy with the kind judgments where they come from the tribunals. Because some of them think say APC establishment, and because the president too now APC member, say then they bounce the judiciary, especially the panel of judges, where these tribunals make that they give pro-APC judgments. The thing we are going to say to that logical conclusion, not be say no dey logical, be say Yoruba people go say the thing where they behind 6, it pass 7. No be say they validate Goodluck Ebele Jonathan 16 more than 19. You see, the question we were supposed to ask ourselves now be say, the time where that election they take place. Now 3 issues now in they play around all this thing. One be the use of card readers. For the Lagos Tribunal, for the Delta Tribunal, where we say na PDP man, the tribunal validate. Abi?
Yes.
Okowa.
Na APC?
No, na
PDP.
PDP.
Na PDP.
PDP.
You go remind, make una dey help me. Because you know, say, na mushi dem born me. Whether the small Igbo wey I breathe in that time, whether it still dey affect my brain. So make una dey help me where if I dey. Okowa na PDP. The tribunal wey look into
In case.
he validate in election. Abi? For Akwa Ibom, the tribunal, he say the thing wey happen for 18 out of 31 local governments. Na Kokoma, no be dance. But he no say make the governor come out. That one self na issue, we no go reach that one. Now, make we come Rivers. The tribunal say the thing wey happen for Rivers, person no fit call am elections, especially at the gubernatorial level. Then the tribunal come follow suit again, say 21 out of the members of
The House
House of Assembly say the dance wey dem dance reach
na
That
Kokoma.
level.
na you talk am. Now person go see consistency. Me come ask my, because you see me when we dey look at the issue of Nigeria, I be APC supporter. I no go lie for your business. But when we dey look the issue of Nigeria, I dey always ask myself one thing: if this country better, na people like me go first benefit, because I know they live by believing say because my friend dey power, na here I go take shop. And when people wey dey creative, wey dey innovative, dey function for environment where rule of law dey function well, they go prosper.
True.
So I go ask myself, Bola, this thing judgment where they happen like this, where it be like say, na APC they win, APC they win, APC they win. I can't ask myself one question: the time where the election they take place, which of the 2 main parties get the advantage to use the
Judiciary.
get the advantage to use the institutions of coercion, police, army, DSS? Which party get advantage to use them to abuse the system wey they're supposed to respect?
Na the party wey dey there before.
What be the name of the party?
For if that for
People's
Rivers,
Democratic Party.
we know
What
the
be the
people.
name of the party?
People's
We know
Democratic
now for
Party.
Rivers, the party we did there before, we know. Now,
People's Democratic Party. People's
No,
Democratic-
that is which
People's
state did they
Democratic
mention
Party.
now?
Rivers.
Now APC somehow, because the person we did in power then
But
was...
he mentioned DSS here. He mentioned police. The instruments of coalition.
The federal.
The governor
Okay, on the
get-
federal level,
Na
okay.
so now.
If not on the federal level, somehow, we go talk snap.
When a governor, when the person will be governor then say, as at that time, he no see in police commissioner for 3 years. Constitution say that the governor be the chief security officer of
For
the
your
state.
state, yes.
But he no see.
In own commissioner.
Commissioner of police, who was a federal appointee in the state. He say in DSS director. Now me and you one reason together.
Yeah, well,
and I know say you go for one of the Ogbonge university for Nigeria.
Yes.
Now University of Ibadan you go.
Yes,
and people wey University of Ibadan produce they had the correct. Now he say in DSS director, state director, he say if you wan see am, him go wear cap, turn am for back,
The other way round.
take taxi, DSS director for night, go see am, talk to am for about 5 minutes, run comot. We know say for that state, mama wan proof point because
Now there she come from.
but you see make we leave that one. So when I ask myself that question, look at Akwa Ibom. When I ask myself that question, say in the states where all this judgment they come against PDP, shey the PDP players on the local ground then, shey they play fully by the rules? My own answer to myself, I no be judge. My head no correct as these judges. They say, e be like say they use home advantage. But no, one day for Morio, another day for West Ham too now.
Exactly.
Because when Morio first come with special one, who go think say team like West Ham go beat Morio team?
Nobody.
But you see, we serve a living God. The team fit dey your hand today.
You go down that person,
That na why wey somebody like me, Bola Oba, even as a supporter of APC, not a card-carrying member, I dey tell APC now say all the reforms for waste recommendation.
Yes.
Where President Buhari then as General Buhari, where Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu then, where Alhaji Lai Mohammed then, where then they support on paper.
Say make them push out for make them push out
The
for.
thing where we see President Buhari they do now, e be like say no go respect those reforms, and e no go make our electoral system better than what we are condemning now.
Right now, yes.
If God don't validate your case, you're supposed to move the ball to a higher game. For President Buhari did the thing where President Jonathan did, where President Umar Yar'Adua did, where President Obasanjo abused. He himself choose a man where come from a region of the country to become INEC chairman now.
Yes.
Abi no be so?
Not true.
Immediate acting chairperson of INEC. Where some people say in dey related to her.
Yes.
Where some people say I never know their
No,
family.
somehow now just some people.
He retained him.
Don't carry him enter
He
deeper.
don't dey make
Now
fear.
the reason why una bring me say make I not just talk as as on top.
Make you talk and go inside.
Because if we dey lambaste Jonathan, if we dey lambaste especially Jonathan, say he no fully follow the recommendations of the Waste Panel, that the National Judicial Council be the appointer of the INEC chairperson and commissioners. True. That the funding of INEC, which is still in the hand of the executive,
yeah,
should be made directly drawable from the consolidated distinct fund, so that there no be. Even when you put people talk say who pays the piper.
That's the truth. Okay, Bolaba, so this one where you dey talk now mean say the thing when we dey see before, where all of us thought say no good oh. Now him we don't continue for now.
But Chukwudi, if
When the people no dey come and when do we
hold on, John.
See,
Oga, may I ask you this question? Because in as much as all of us they try look this issue from this angle, say okay, you know they are appropriate. People also look and from this angle, if you say yes, so sincerely, some of these ruling somehow they are appropriate. Make we look at
no confuse ruling with my other.
No, okay, fine.
The ruling, I don't give you my own personal rationalization. Okay. My own personal rationalization will say, who get tendency to use power, abuse the system then? And if you get tendency to use power, abuse the system then, if they are slapping you now to order,
make you accept
that. But you see, if I sit here as a God-fearing Nigerian, if I sit here as a God-fearing Nigerian, even now we stand and say, I don't you self know say during the election na me and you dey take side dey lambaste this guy
Yes,
when e be like say dey support
yes.
PDP when we go there for change.
Yes.
If I be God-fearing Nigerian and want goodness for this country, shey e no behove me to say the thing wey we wan kill Jonathan for.
na him we see dey do now.
Hold on
so we don
now.
enter one chance now. wetin be hold on wetin be
I
hold
never
on.
say we enter one chance.
So
I enter one chance. No.
One chance
I say àyà mi ń já ọkàn mi ń gbọ̀n.
na him be say the boss wey dey come now na one chance boss na we dey see so.
It is still a due process.
which due process.
I no talk say somehow say monkey and no dey inside.
See as him dey look
But then,
They say no talk say monkey and no dey.
But then, make we also look am. I still stand on the fact say, look, the tribunal wey don handle some of these issues see issues there. That's why they do it. They say make them cancel this election. Compared to other places where election hold, we will not hear cases from them. Chukudi, you said they are aware of.
We agree with that one.
Yes, you said they very much aware.
Move forward now.
So what will be the bone of contention for this matter?
wetin be which one be bone of contention you talk finish they say move forward you come dey ask me question move go the forward now.
You sef don dey use agbari. E be like say you know the thing wey I notice say for Nigeria be say when our party dey advantage.
Thank you very much.
Or when the party wey we support or when the person wey we dey support dey advantage.
Thank you very much.
We go.
When it comes to here, as long as I'm a Nigerian, my hand dey clean.
you
I
no
am
even
representing the people's.
who could be you no even get hand. talk
Hey!
to say hand dey clean. you no get hand.
Àwọn mi bàrẹ̀ òfúfú nẹ́nẹ́. Ọwọ́.
see as he dey give you soundtrack.
No, I dey follow.
which follow you dey follow.
No, dey yab my hand.
But Oga Gbolaba, make we look this issue now. On the issue of say the incident form and the card reader, they don't talk say for other places the case go this way because of say everybody agree. But it can't be like say for Rivers State now exception come dey.
Wait. And I know be say I dey rubbish your point, but when we wan take issue, e go good make we dey methodical for our viewers. When Dakuku go tribunal, Wike wey be lawyer too, he go court. When he go court, he dey argue say Dagogo sef, this Dakuku guy, in the process wey pick am as the candidate of the APC for Rivers State, that process dey faulty. Because ordinarily, APC supposed to notify INEC 21 days to the emergence of the candidate. They don't notify INEC. They just pull the candidate out. That's number one. Number two, they also go court. They say the Rivers State Tribunal, where they sit for Abuja, say he lack jurisdiction to go sit in Abuja. You know, say lawyer, Agbaripo, Nigeria Limited. Now, they spoil this country, but it's good because they enrich our democracy. Now, the Court of Appeal, go give judgment on those issues today. If, in case Court of Appeal can't give judgment, say the emergence of Dakuku, he no dey consistent.
Say you get K-leg.
With the electoral law, you dey interpret.
Now you be say,
I like the way we say they preach, you dey read the Bible.
No, I dey drop her down.
So, if the Court of Appeal make that ruling today, even the judgment
of the tribunal, it go get as it be. So Dakuku say go appeal to Supreme Court.
Go raise am up, yes.
It go raise am up. Now, we must remember say one of the reasons why the PDP they accuse the thing where they happen be say when the panel of judges know say appeal court go give judgment on eligibility of Dakuku candidature today and jurisdiction the Abuja sitting of the this thing, then why waiting rush them? Abi?
yes.
That one day one side.
Now on that case.
Now, on the issue of card reader, the case of Ambode
for Lagos
and Jimmy Agbaje, it don't reach Supreme Court.
True.
Supreme Court don't say Jimmy Agbaje.
May go.
If they say in a card reader, the effective use or the total compliance of use of candida, now you want bank on. Omo, your chicken don't run come out for cage. So that one don't lose. For another judgment, Okowa, they also tell Ogboru of Labour Party, say, Ogboru, you don't favor you before, when they take court, can't do Shakara. Today, we don't go give am to you because candida no be an administrative measure.
Exactly.
Now, one of the grounds where they take invalidate Wike for Rivers, na candida, interpreted in another way from the ruling of Supreme Court in Ambode at this thing. But you know what? Another thing they another thing they way past candida. Some places we get 100 names for book.
We can't get
1,000, like the people who vote come past the number of.
Don't talk 1,000.
No, I mean something like that. No, could just relate them.
Even if it's 101, that day God just totally create another voter.
Maybe 2 twins come vote.
They come vote. Okay. Now that one issue. Then anywhere for the world where democracy dey, where they robust, then they call something the environment and ambience to do the right thing. If you shut the environment so well, when myself no fit come out, where I want vote, that in itself na abuse. And the security agencies, the same security agencies where work for PDP that time, when they won't give evidence now,
their body language come be like say,
not be their body language, even their mouth language.
Everything change. Okay, but quick one, you don't talk plenty things, and we go the part 2 of this discussion because we just dey take am small, but we go need rush enter break because I see say the thing just dey enter your body small. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it dey hot.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.